Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am organizing my leftovers. It is time. I have a stack of kit leftovers, and I've also got a whole bunch of samplers and different things in here that I need to go through and organize. I also want to organize my winter samplers. I've got all the other seasons covered, but the winter ones. So I'm going to grab these as well, and I'm going to declutter and organize them into my sticker book. So before we get started, thank you so much for watching these videos. Those of you who love these videos, like really love them, I don't fully understand it, but there is something like soothing and something to be said about watching like someone organize something. So if you enjoy it, let me know down in the comments below. I really need to get this done though, so let's get into it. Let me move those over and these over. Okay, so let me show you my system. This is a Once More with Love sticker book, and I don't think this is available anymore, but Sadie Stickers has some of my favorite reusable sticker books, and this is just the one that I'm using, and you kind of get stuck with one once you start one. So let me show you how I organize my stickers. These guys need to go and find a home somewhere in here. They've just been like collected there, and they need to go elsewhere. So these also, I've just have collected them here, but I don't know that I'm even going to use them, so I might just get rid of them as well. Here is the random deco page, which overflows over here, and you can see lots of like empty spots that I need to fill. And then I've got Crafty Banana stickers. This is Once More with Love, Bubba Bear, which I haven't bought from her in a long time, so I probably need to just get rid of that section. Coffee Monsters Co., Fox and Pip, and then it gets into my color-coded icons, which I like to pull from kits. So I've got red, pink, orange, yellow, teal, green, blue, purple, and black and neutrals, and I can overflow onto the opposite page. And then, and I need to restock some of these guys, so I'm going to be looking for icons today. I've also got some script stickers, just from random kits, and then I get into the more functional things. So I've got flight trackers, habit trackers, some rescheduled, canceled, and LOL and nope stickers, checklists, movie marquees, and then the last few are quarter boxes, which I need some more of those, and half boxes and third boxes back here. So I have some room to fill, and I definitely need some more functional things here in the back. I want some more icons. I use a lot of these in my plum paper, which has become more functional for me. So I'm really looking for colored icons and functional boxes, and then we'll just organize the rest of them where they can go. So I'm going to start with my kits, and then we'll move into the samplers. So what I am doing here is going through every single page, and I'm pulling out what I think I will use. And I am ruthless with this. If I don't think I'm going to use it, I skip on it. And these go to my little sister, and she uses them in her functional planning, and she basically does the same process that I do, but with my leftovers. So, you know, the system works for both of us, and I am ready to get into it. So I've got a lot of stuff here. I'm hoping to find some good things, but I'm also expecting to find like not as much this time. I don't have a lot because I'm down to only one kit planner, and then of course I've got like some plum paper decorative stickers and stuff, but we'll see what we can find because I really have not even looked through these. They go all the way back to summertime, which is the last time I did a leftovers video, so hopefully I find some gems, but let's get into it. Okay, what I have left to organize is just a bunch of foiled stuff. So I'm going to organize it by the 4 foils, which is gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow, and I'm going to put them in my albums. Finally, I've been putting this off for quite a while, so let me get these organized into 4 stacks and then I'll get them put away. Well, that took me quite a while, almost an hour, but thank goodness I'm speeding it up for you. Okay, so what I just have left to do is kind of show you what I've done, but I'm also going to just clean up the front here. These are just never going to get used, I don't think. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get rid of those. And then these little ones, I'm going to move over. And I might use this one like soon. So I will keep that one around because I've still got a couple of Christmas spreads to do. Okay, so let me show you the progress that I made today, just very quickly. So I cleaned up this page, except for the one sticker, and this one. Then I've got my random deco, which I kind of filled that out a little bit, overflowed over here. Oops. The thing about the Once More with Love book, which it's too late to really switch now, is that things don't always stick unless you like press them down. Okay, then I've got Crafty Banana overflowed over here. Then I added in some fox and cactus. I should probably just like make myself a little label for fox and cactus. In fact, let's do that right now. Let me just find a label real fast in my leftovers here. And we'll just make this section fox and cactus. There we go. Okay, so I added a new section here, added a couple of Once More with Love, added a bunch of Coffee Monsters Co. from samplers, and Fox and Pip. Then here is my progress on my colored icons. Pink, orange. I didn't find many orange. Got quite a few yellow and some teal. Quite a bit of green and blue and purple. And then not as many neutrals as I wanted, but that's okay. And then added a couple of, or one script sticker. I didn't grab very many habit trackers because I haven't been using them lately, and I didn't find flight info trackers, but I also wasn't looking carefully for them, so maybe I just missed some. These are kind of becoming rare in kits, but I still enjoy them, so I'm going to keep an eye out for those. And then I added a few movie marquees. And then I found some, but not a whole lot, quarter boxes. But I did find a ton of half and third boxes. So I kind of filled out all of these pages. I mean, there's a few blanks, but I got a bunch, especially in like some fall colors. So yeah, I feel like this was a successful leftovers organization. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye.